Well, it's that time of year. It's some summertime drinks, and freshly squeezed lemonade is one of my favorites. It quenches your thirst, and I'm telling y'all, this is one of the best recipes you'll ever make. So let's watch one of my old videos making fresh lemonade. First thing we're going to do, into my pot, we're going to pour 1 cup of water, and we're going to put 1.5 cups of sugar. And all we're going to do is melt the sugar. Once the sugar has melted and your water is translucent, take it off the heat, and then you want to cool it down real quick. You want to get you some good lemons. Meyer lemons are the best here in this area, but we don't always have them and can't get them all the time. So I just grab what we've got. I do have a lemon tree, and it would be wonderful if I could grow my own lemons, but I don't know if that's going to happen. But anyways, you need about 5 or 6 medium lemons. Some of mine are on a kind of the small size, so you just have to figure that one out. If they're small, you might use 2 for 1, but 5 or 6 lemons is usually enough. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to wash these good. I'm going to cut them in half, and we're going to juice them. Now, I have a lot of trouble with my hands with arthritis, and juicing becomes an issue sometimes, but I do get it done. But I've been looking for a citrus juicer, and I think I found one. And I'll put the link below, and because I know a lot of people are in my situation with their hands, so don't let that stop you. We'll get us a citrus juicer, and we'll be able to do this, but I'm going to do it the old-fashioned way till I can get one. So let's get our lemons juiced. Hey, that was pretty quick. It was about 1.5 minutes or 2 minutes, and you see how clear the water is, which means the sugar has melted. So I'm going to take it off the stove, and I'm going to let it cool down. Okay, we're going to start juicing our lemons. And I've got about 7 or 8 small lemons. If you're using anywhere from medium to large lemons, you'll probably just need about 5. And I like to just roll them around on the counter to get the juices going. And I'm just going to use my little juicer here. The main thing that you want is you want a cup of lemon juice. So, you know, it could take anywhere from 5 to 8 lemons. Just depends on the size. Just as long as you have a good cup of lemon juice. I like using this, but it is kind of hard on your hands and your fingers. So there's different juicers you can use, and I've got several different kinds. Now this one I've got here is called a reamer, and it's made out of wood, and this one's really easy to use. It's easy on your hands and your fingers. You just kind of push it into the middle and just kind of turn it and squeeze with the other hand, and it juices real well. And I'm juicing over a little bit strainer to keep the seeds out and some of the pulp. Some people like pulp in their lemon juice and in their even orange juice. I'm going to try to keep as much out as I can. And then one of these, this is a little hand juicer. Close to getting a cup of lemon juice. Okay, we're going to start mixing our lemonade up. And I've just got a bowl here that I want to mix it up in before we put it in our container. And we're just going to pour in our This is our simple syrup that we made earlier with our cup of water and our cup-and-a-half of sugar. Simple syrup is all that is. Now we've got 4 cups of well water. If you don't have well water, you can use filtered water or a good bottled water. And here we've got our cup of freshly squeezed lemon juice. And that's all there is to this. This is some of the best. And I got some seeds. I see some seeds floating around in there. Now, how'd those get in there? I'm telling you. Anyways, I'm going to have to fish those out. I can remember. Let me get me a spoon. I can remember my grandmother. We never had sodas in the house. And we didn't have Kool-Aid. But we had tea. And we had, of course, well water. And we had milk. And we always had lemonade. My grandmother loved lemonade, and she always had a small pitcher in the refrigerator. But it wasn't freshly squeezed. It was country time lemonade, and that's what she liked. But I can remember that just like it was yesterday. But I'm telling you, if you ever make your homemade sweetened lemon, oh, that's so good. Your homemade sweetened lemonade, you'll never do it any other way. You can double, triple this recipe. And if you can't use sugar, I'm pretty sure you can use your sugar substitute and it'll turn out good. So here it is in my container. And this is a 2.5 gallon container that I put my tea in or lemonade when I've got quite a few people here. So it'd be a lot prettier if it was at least half full. But me and Mr. Brown can't drink all that here by ourselves. That's why I made the amount that I did. This right here is about, well, it just depends. It's about probably 6 to 8 servings. So you can double and triple this. It does take a lot of lemons, but it is well worth it. This is some of the best homemade lemonade you will ever drink. And me thinking about that, I'm thinking, you know, it would be worth it, especially in the summertime, to have a citrus juicer, electric one that kind of help you out a little bit there. So like I said earlier, I'm going to be looking for one, and if I find one, I'll put the link below in my description box. But anyways, it didn't take me long to juice them lemons. The size lemons I had, they were kind of small lemons, and it took 8 of them. A medium, good size medium lemon would take about 5. So I'll put that in the recipe. So anyways, let's fix us a glass of lemonade. I'm telling you, if you love lemonade, or maybe you don't like lemonade because all you've ever had is the Kool-Aid lemonade or the country time, this is the best lemonade I've ever drank. I made some of this over the Memorial Day weekend and took it to the river. And my daughter just absolutely loved it. And she loves good lemonade. So guys, I want to be doing a lot more of these summertime drinks. I do have a recipe for strawberry lemonade, homemade strawberry lemonade, and I'll be doing that next. And if y'all like these recipes, let me know. Because, you know, sometimes in summertime it's hard to quench that thirst. But I guarantee you, this will do it. It might make you pucker just a little bit, but man, it's good. I hope y'all like this recipe. It's so good. Y'all come back and see us, you hear?